你打手机了吗？我给你打个电话。电话号，快156
9088 7010
7010。你这调好了吗？出去，我跟你说一下，看你听见没？接，快接。喂，听不见？听得见吗？哈喽哈喽。没有声音。我这边没有声音。喂。没有声音。喂。欢哥，快来，快！最后15秒了，快点儿！
不行。
太冷了，没有帐篷。
这种。这个加
好了吗？
加好了。
加好了。
话筒呢？
话筒呢？
好了，我开始了。浩杰再往右边挪。
我们俩是不是要把手机也连进去，这样能看到信息？
不用连了吧？
要不然大家看不到信息啊。还是上午那个链接吗？咱俩打开那个。
行。
一个阿里的，一个谷歌的。
我点那个看的是 YouTube 的。
还有一个阿里的吗？
阿里的你能打开吗？
我打开了。
你打开阿里的哈。
浩杰再往这边挪一点。
再往这边挪。
再挪。
挪不动了。
挪不动了，椅子就在这。
有椅子了。
那欢哥再往这边。
右边看，好可以。
那好，我们开啥？
你再给我们一会儿再给我们钉钉上发个新链接吧。
好，
这个链接还是今天上午的。
3、2、1。
Hi, good afternoon. This is Mia. Welcome to our live studio.
Hello, this is Jay.
Today I'm going to introduce our Z Electric company and our featured products. Okay, now let's get started.
Okay.
First, let's get to know our company. Is there any pictures?
Yeah.
Z Electric Group, based in China, was a professional manufacturer of electrical insulation materials. With production experience of 62 years, we have 5 bases in mainland China, and we have independent researches and development abilities, and mature manufacturing, sales, after-sales systems. Product quality is always our priority. All our factories are certified of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and our products are referring to ISO DIN, IEC, and we both have certificates by Roche and Rich. And we've got CE, UL, and XGS certificates.
UL and CE.
Yes, this is our
UL
UL certificates.
and SGS certificate.
For so many years of efforts, we earned our customer, the trust of our customers from at home and abroad.
Yes, for further information about our company, please feel free to contact our customer service, and welcome to visit our factory.
Okay, thanks again for coming to our live studio. I'm glad to have you guys here and super excited to introduce you about our main products, main insulation materials products. That is epoxy fiberglass glasses, sheets. They are FR4 and G10,
Yeah, G10,
G11,
G11,
and 3240 epoxy fiberglasses. And FR4, G10, G11, 3240 epoxy fiberglasses are both NEMA names. And for Europe customers, they code FR4 as EPGC 202 and G10 as EPGC 201 and G11 as EPGC 203.
yeah,
And 3240 epoxy fiberglass sheets are named by GPT standards, which is Chinese standards.
yeah.
First, let's take a look at a sample of FR4. Okay, it's our star product. Its color is aqua, and the surface is very smooth and no bubble and no impurity. Its regular dimension is, okay, look at this board.
Regular dimension is the least dimension is 1020 by 1220. The biggest dimension is 1220 by 2440. The thickness is 0.5 to 80 millimeters.
Okay, and its thickness is from 0.5 to 80 millimeters. About its application, FR4 is mainly used in motor electrical equipment, PCB board, and FR4 lapping carrier, etc. Our FR4 sheet has excellent insulation and flame retardant performance.
Yeah.
and low water absorption.
Yeah, now I will test the flame retardance property of our FR4 sheet. Okay,
Let me take this sample.
prepare a letter and a sample of our FR4 sheet. Okay, now I'm going to run a 10-second burn test on the sample. Okay, let's begin.
Don't blink your eyes.
Yeah, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Ooh.
Whoa.
No burning matters
Yeah,
falls,
no
right?
burning metals fall.
I can
And
touch it.
the flame extinguishes in 10 seconds. Yes, it proves that our FR4 sheet had high flame retardance performance.
Yes. You can see the corner, the square corner is still adheres.
Yes,
Just the color is changed.
yeah.
Here, I want to make a comparison between our high quality FR4 and inferior one. You may purchase from other suppliers for the cheaper FR4. Let's have a comparison. This is our FR4. Look, it has better light transmittance, and its section color is similar to that of the surface. No matter we look at it from which angle, it looks the same, and it's light, white. And this is joint FR4 sheet. You can see clearly there's a line. You can see clearly the joint FR4 pre-preg inside. We refuse to use recycled materials and supplies the fiberglass cloth and defective raw materials. That's why we always guarantee you our high quality FR4.
Yes, we do the quality matters. Okay, if you are interested in our FR4 sheet, you can click the follow push. You can click the follow button to follow our Ali store. And if you want to our catalog, you can submit contact details to our customer service. And if you have any other questions, you can click the chat button, and our customer service will chat you now. And if you want to get the free sample of FR4 sheet, you can email to us.
Yes. Okay, next now we change next product.
Yeah.
It's G10 fiberglass sheet.
Yeah, G10.
Yes, G10. The color is green, and we also can supply black and yellow.
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. G10 is made of elastic reed fiberglass cloth and epoxy resin. We are factory direct sales, so we can provide customer customized service of your joints. If you have joints you want to make a electronic installation part, just send your drawers to us, and we can make samples or we can quote for you. Look, this is 50 millimeters thickness, G10
Yeah,
parts.
it's so beautiful.
Yes. Just tell us your tolerance and please indicate all of your dimensions on your drawings. We can quote and send samples to you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's now see the dimensions of G10.
Yeah, the listed dimension is 1020 by 1220 millimeters, and the biggest dimension is 1220 by 2440 millimeters, and the thickness is same to the FR4 sheet is 0.5 to 80 millimeters.
And its thickness is from 0.5 to 80 millimeters. And G10 can be used in FPC reinforcement board and PCB drawing pad and another electrical parts and transformers and module insulation parts.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look the sample of G11. Okay.
Okay.
Which is sample of G11 here.
Yeah.
It's thickness 3 millimeters, yellow G11.
Yeah.
G11 we can make yellow and green.
Yeah.
The surface is very flat and smooth, no bubble. See? No, it's bright, no bubble and impurities. It has excellent mechanical and electrical properties at high temperature, and it's easy to process as a part. The temperature resistance is 180 degrees. Okay, last J to introduce us the G11's dimensions.
Yes, the G11 dimensions is similar to G10 and the FR4 sheet. The listed dimension is 1020 by 1220 millimeters, and the biggest dimension is 1220 by 2440 millimeters, and the thickness is 0.5 to 80 millimeters.
Yes, and thickness is also same from 0.5 to 80 millimeters.
Yeah.
Okay, about the application, G11 is suitable to make installation parts of F-class motors and transformers, electrical equipment, and others.
Yeah. Okay. If you are interested in our G10 or G11 chip, you can click the following. You can click the follow button to follow our Alistair, and we will send you the catalog to you. And if you have any other questions, you can chat. You
Click
can
the
click
button,
the button.
Chat with us.
Chat me. Yeah, our customer service will chat with you now. And if you want to the free symbol of G10 or G11, you can email us.
Okay, just email us.
Yeah.
Okay, next is a description of 3240.
Yeah,
Find the sample
3240
3240.
epoxy sample.
Yes, this one.
Yeah. 3240 epoxy sheet is made of non-alkali fiberglass, cloth impregnated with epoxy resin by drying and hot pressing technologies. It has high mechanical strength at 155 centigrade and is easy to process. And its dimension is 1000 by 2020 millimeters, and the thickness is 0.5 to 80 millimeters. And the 3240 epoxy sheet is mainly used as the insulation structure parts for the electrical, electronic, and other industrials.
Okay, let's make another comparison between our superior 3240 with the other inferior one. See, this is our 3240 epoxy sheet. It has smooth surface and good light transmittance.
Yeah.
See. Okay, maybe I can open a light to have.
Yeah, let me. Yeah.
可能好一些。Okay, this looks this one.
Okay.
Suitable for being machined, and according to any methods, there's no delamination. Okay, I have another 3240 samples for you. See, there's no delamination on the side of our sheet, and its section color is same as the others parts of the sheets. Okay, this one is the inferior one. You can see the layers of the side, and it is not a very light transmittance. Okay, next one, I would like to show a special FR4 anti-static board. It is a composite made of fiberglass cloth and the anti-static resin.
Yeah.
Its regular color is black, and the resistance value is 10 to 6 power to 10 to 8 power omega. It has suitable anti-static performance, high mechanical strength, thermal and moisture resistance, and easy to process. Now let's check its dimensions.
Yeah, the dimensions is same to the G10 and FR4 sheet. The listed dimension is 1020 by 122 millimeters, and the biggest dimension is 1020 by 2440 millimeters, and the thickness is 3 to 15 millimeters.
Thickness from 3 to 15 millimeters.
Yes.
It can be widely used in the construction of factory buildings such as semiconductor, LCD, electronics, and to make the shelter of equipment in the clean room or observation window and electronic test fixtures and jig. This is a full anti-static board.
Yeah. Okay. If you are interested in our ESD board and 3240 sheet, you can click the follow button to follow our alistair. And if you want to our catalog, you can please feel free to ask our customer service. They will send it to you. And if you have any other questions, you can click the chat button now. And our customer service will contact you at any time. And if you want to get some free sample, you can email us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, let's talk about our stock ability. I just wanted to explain to you, perhaps you guys should have already heard about the policy in China about dual control energy consumption policy. China is facing a nationwide power outage in the manufacturing industry because of the crazy price of raw materials and inflation. See, China's power cuts widen amid shortages and climate push. I can read the news for you. It's a power rationing and forced cuts to factory production in China are widening, and electricity supply issues and a push to enforce environmental regulations. This electric is also dealing with such dramatic changes. Fortunately, this electric has military qualifications. Compared with other factories, other companies, we are suffering less restriction and can ensure daily production for you. So we have adequate goods in stock.
Yes.
You don't need to worry. Our products are definitely not overstock, because the promotion is to give back to you customers and you guys who have been supporting us for a long time. This electric will be with you through the darkest hour and help you restore confidence. If you are interested, just chat with our customer service. We can send our stock list to you for reference.
Yeah.
You mean in the end, you know, at the end, the coming end of the year, all the stocks means we can deliver cargoes at any time. Okay. By the way, for the production packaging, we still have the standard export packaging. This kind of pallets with waterproof and collision resistance. Very convenient for handling in the container. There's Z electric logos on our packages. It's by the corner of the sheets is by protected of the cotton board.
Yeah.
And if you are an agent or wholesaler or trade company, we can customize it for you by the neutral packaging. So we have already know so many epoxy sheet, fiberglass sheet. Let's jump into the second half. Take a look at the phenolic cotton sheet, phenolic products.
Yeah.
They are phenolic cotton laminates and bakelite and the phenolic backup boards.
Yeah.
This is phenolic backup boards.
This is phenolic cotton. And this is the bakelite.
Yes. Which is the PFCC.
Yeah, PFCC.
I'd like to show you our phenolic cotton first. It is made of cotton fabric impregnated with phenolic resin. By baking and hot pressing, it has good electricity and mechanical performance under normal condition. And its regular size is different from the epoxy glass fiber sheet.
Yes, the regular size. The phenolic cotton laminated sheet. Its regular size is 1,000 by 2,000 millimeters, and the thickness is 0.5 to 80 millimeters.
Yes. Okay. About the application, it is also can be used as insulation structures and equipment parts, transformer, oil, and the same material can be made into different types, such as the phenolic rolled, or have a
Phenolic rolled. Yeah, like this one.
Ooh, it's a huge one.
Yeah.
This is for 32 yarn, right?
Yeah.
This is 21 yarn phenolic rolled. Okay, next is what products?
Next is bakelite sample.
And this is
Yeah. Okay. This is our bakelite sheet. It's made of quality bleached wood paper, land paper, and phenolic resin by drying and hot pressing. Its colors are black and orange. Yeah. The standard dimension is 1,000 by 2,000 millimeters, and the thickness is 3 to 15 millimeters. Oh, sorry, thickness is 3 to 15 millimeters. Yeah, it has the advantage of good mechanical strength and anti-static features. Our bakelite sheet is suitable to be used in motor, electrical, and equipment and transformer oil. It's also suitable for model plate, test jig, and table grinding pad, and PCB drilling, and so on.
this color maybe is real orange. If you want yellow and black, just tell us we can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, next is our new offering, phenolic backup board. It is a little different from the other phenolic board about phenolic bakelite and phenolic cotton board. This is made of cold stamping process. It's made of cellulose fiber paper impregnated with phenolic resin. It comes in orange color and it's made it's pressed by cold stamp, not hot. And all the other
Cold.
yes, so all the other phenolic board are pressed by in high temperature. Okay, the dimensions of it is also different from other phenolic boards. For the normal size of it is 1230 by 1030, and the thickness is also different from 0.2 millimeters to 3 millimeters.
Yeah.
It has good punching and shearing properties, suitable for CNC punching machine of PCB and FPC boards.
Okay. If you are interested in the above information, the above products, you can click the follow button to follow our AliStar. And then if you want our catalog, you can check our customer service. And if you have any other questions, please click the chat. And our customer service will contact you at any time. And if you want to get a free sample of all the products, you can email to us.
Okay, let's get to know our company one more time. Okay,
Okay.
this electric rope based in China and was founded in 1958, which is a professional manufacturer about electrical insulation materials. We have 5 bases in mainland China and 1 branch in Vietnam. We have independent research and development abilities in mutual manufacturing, sales, and after-sales systems. Products quality is always our priority. All our factories are certified according to ISO 9002, 9001, ISO 14001,
Yeah.
and our products reference to ISO DIN, NEMA, IC. And we've got CE certificate and UL and SDS certificate.
Yes.
Yes.
UL.
And this is ULV.
Yeah, this is SDS.
Yes. UL. After so many years of efforts, we won the trust of our customers at home and abroad. Okay, thanks for coming to our live studio one more time. And I'm so glad to have you guys here and super excited to introduce you our epoxy fiberglass sheet and our phenolic products. Yes.
Yeah.
Now first, let's go to show you our main insulation materials, the epoxy fiberglass sheet. Okay. About FR4.
FR4.
Yes.
Yeah.
G10.
FR4.
This is FR4 as you see, the thickness is 1.5.
Yeah, the thickness is 5 millimeters.
Yes. Have beautiful surface. It's smooth, no bubbles, no pitch,
Yeah, no bubble.
and it has good transmittance. You can see my hands through it, right?
Yeah.
This is 1.5 thickness, and this one
5
5 millimeters. 5 millimeters thickness. And FR4 is the name of AEMA. In Europe, its name is EPGC202. If you want EPGC202, just call us in or email to us too. That is our FR4. Its color is aqua, and we can also supply yellow. Okay, this is the yellow. I think it's all beautiful.
Yeah.
It has a good transmittance, right? Its regular dimension is.
This regular
Dimension, yes. Wait.
Yes, its regular dimension is this. The least dimension is 1020 by 1220 millimeters, and the biggest dimension is 1220 by 2440 millimeters.
And about the application, it is mainly used in motor electrical equipment, PCB drilling, and other FR4 lapping carrier and others. Our FR4 sheet has good insulation properties and a flame retardant, and which has lower water absorption.
Yes, now I will test the flame retardant property of our FR4 sheet. Okay, prepare a letter and a symbol of FR4.
10, okay.
Okay,
That's good.
I will run a 10-second sample. Okay, let's begin. Okay.
10,
9,
9, 8,
7, 3,
6, 5,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow, see,
Whoa.
it ran out by itself, and there's no burning matters falls. And the corner is still no problems about the corner.
Yes.
So
Yep.
this is the biggest difference with FR4 and G10.
G10. Yeah. G10.
This is aqua, FR4 and G10. Wow, they look same, right? But the difference is here. FR4 has flame retardant, but G10 has HV flame retardant, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next, our star product is G10, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We have let's comparison about our high quality FR4 and joint FR4.
Yes.
Many customers ask about the joint, big joint or small joint FR4. I wonder, if there is such a product in the market, but there is. If you buy a very cheap FR4 sheet, maybe this is it.
Yeah.
This is our FR4 sheet, right?
Yeah.
It has smooth surface, no rubble, and no impurities, and has better light. You can see the words.
Yes.
And the better light transmittance. And this is a inferior FR4 sheet because it is thin, but you can hard to see the words.
Yes.
And you can see clearly about the joint FR4 pre-preg sheet. And this electric has refused to use spliced epoxy fiberglass clothes and defective fiberglass clothes and defective raw materials. That's why we can ensure the high quality for you.
Yeah, we do the quality metals.
And that's why we you think it is expensive, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Okay. If you are interested in our FR4, you can click the follow button and following our Alistar. We will launch some new products every now and then. And if you want our catalog, you can
Send your name card or your contact details to it, and you
yes.
can get the catalog.
Yes. If you have any other questions, you can click the chat button and our customer service will contact you at any time. And if you want to get some free sample of FR4 or G10, you can email to us.
If you are interested in anything, just email us. Okay, next, let's see that sheet of. So what is? Can you tell if this is FR4 or G10?
Yes.
Definitely. Okay, this G10 fiberglass sheet is green and the thickness is 16. See, 16. You can look clearly of the side. There's no layer you can see. It is very smooth. G10 is made of electronic grade fiberglass cloth and epoxy resin. That's the difference with 3240. It is electronic grade epoxy fiber cloth. And we are factory direct sales, so we can. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions.
Yeah, the dimensions. The dimensions is same to FR4, and the listed dimension is 1020 by 1220 millimeters, and the biggest dimension is 1220 by 2440 millimeters, and the thickness meters.
And the surface is also smooth and white. G10 can be used in FPC reinforced board, PCB drilling pad, and fiberglass lapping carrier and other insulation parts.
Yes.
And at the same time, G10 can be well processed. It is easy to process. Look at these parts.
Yeah. Now our G10 is in stock. We can send out it at any time.
If you want the cargoes in a hurry, just click the button follow to talk to our customer service.
Yes.
He will send the stock list to you.
Yes.
Okay, next let's have a look at the sheet of G11,
G11,
which is
yes.
EPDC 203. The color is yellow. It is a kind of dark yellow, but
yes.
the surface is very flat and smooth. All our insulation fiberglass sheets are smooth and flat, no bubble, no peat, no impurities. Wow, it's right?
Yes.
It has excellent mechanical and electrical properties, and it is easy to process as insulation parts.
Yeah.
Now let's look at the dimensions.
Yeah, the dimensions. The G10 dimension, G11, the dimensions is 1020 by 1220 millimeters, and the biggest dimension is 1220 by 2440 millimeters.
Yes, if you have other, we can also supply 1020 by 20540 and 1220 by 2040. And if you have any other different size requirement, just tell it to our customer service.
Yes.
And G11, it is suitable to be used as insulation parts for F class, which is 180.
Yes.
From 155 to 180 degrees. That is F-class motor, F-class transformers, and electrical equipment, and so on.
Yes. And then the
So-
next simple.
Yes, but why G11 is expensive, is more expensive than FR4 and G10?
The reason is
Temperature?
yeah.
Yes, the material, about the insulation materials, the temperature is higher.
Okay, the next symbol.
Next is 3240.
Yeah, 3240.
It's the normal,
Epoxy sheet.
it's light yellow
Yeah.
F2 3240 sample. This is a yellow one. It's in the sink. This is
Heavy.
Okay.
Okay. 3240 epoxy sheet is made of non-alkali fiberglass cloth impregnated with epoxy resin by drilling and hot pressing technologies. And it has high mechanical strength at 155 centigrade and and good electrical performance at dry and wet state. And also it is easy to process. Its regular dimension is 1000 by 2020. And thickness is 0.5 to 80 millimeters and 3240 epoxy sheet is mainly used as insulation structure parts for electrical, electronic, and other industrials. Okay, Mia,
right.
do you know why some customers say that the 3240 epoxy sheet is cheaper than us?
Because they may buy, they want this one.
Yeah.
See, this is one kind of inferior 3240. See, you can see the one black lines on the sheet, and there are small pits. You can maybe you cannot see very clearly. There is a very small pit in it, and about the side, it is you can see the delamination, and this is Z Electric 3240. The surface is smooth and good light transformate. Okay, you can see my hands through it. But this one is has not good transmittance. 324 is suitable for being machined according to any measures. Just let's have a look at the theme sheet about. Do you have a scene 3240 of the inferior one?
Yes.
See. Well, let's put it closer to the customers. See? Could you put your hand upgrade?
Yes.
Wow. See,
Wow.
my hand is very clearly, but Jay's hand is not like that. And it has scratches and pits on the surface. There's no delamination on the side of our sheet, and its section color is yellow, so everywhere of it is yellow. Is anybody leave inquiries to us?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have your screens or you cannot see it.
Yes.
Okay, there is someone to. Okay, thanks. You come out to you. We have already seen your inquiries.
Yeah.
Just leave a comment to our customer service. She will come back to you soon.
Yes. If you are interested in our products, you can click the follow button to follow our other store. And if you want our catalog, you can send your
Name cards or contact details to us.
yes. If you have any other questions, you can click the chat. Our customer service will contact you at any time. And if you want to get some free sample, you can email to us. Or you can also click the chat to our
For black anti-static sheet. It is a composite made from fiberglass cloth and anti-static resin. We have about the anti-static boards, we have one side anti-static and both side anti-static board and full side anti-static. So this is a full anti-static board.
Yeah.
The film is black, and the resistance value is 10 for 6 power and 10 for 8 power omega. It has stable anti-static performance, high mechanical.
Yes, the dimension is the same as the G10 and FR4 sheet. The dimension is 1020 by 1020 millimeters, and the biggest dimension is 1020 by 2040 millimeters, and the thickness is 3 to 15 millimeters.
If you want FR4 ESD sheet, that is this board codes ESD sheet 2, right?
Yeah.
As if you want to FR4 ESD sheet, G10 EXD sheet, or Bakelite EXD sheet, we can supply all of them. Just leave message to us. About the FR4 anti-static boards, can be widely used in the construction of factory building, such as semiconductor, LCD, and electronic and others, and the shelter of equipment in cleaning room or observation window, and electronic tax fixtures and jigs to as the test pad when you test something on it. Okay, now I want to talk to you something about your things. That is the stock ability. That not everyone manufacturer and factory can supply you stocks now. Stocks means time. We can deliver it to you at any time you want. I just want to explain to you, perhaps you guys will hear about the China's dual control energy consumption recently.
Yes.
We have some news for you. China's power cuts widen age shortages and electricity. This is from the Roadstar website. You can read the news from it. China is facing a nationwide power outage in the manufacturing industry because of the crazy price of raw material and inflation. ZT Electric is also dealing with the dramatic changes. As we are the military qualified company, so compared with other companies, small factories or the trade company, we are suffering less restriction and can ensure daily production. In Zhejiang, Jiangsu, Guangzhou, many of the factories can just work 1 to 2 days.
Yes,
they can. Even for better, they can work 3 days, 1 week. But for us, we can ensure the daily production to you. You don't need to worry. And about the overstock, no, we cannot. We definitely did not supply the products of overstocks. Our products, we prepare the stocks for from September, right? Yes, for September and October. We are going to give back to our customers for supporting us for a long time. that electric will be through with you for the darkness hour and help you to restore confidence. And I heard of many customers, yeah, they told me, oh, I have no orders for my customers, right? Do you have such customers?
Yes.
As the end of the 2021 years, the market is not very good, but we can restore to you. We can make stocks of 100 laminate sheets to you.
Yes.
And now even many factories cannot production, right?
Yeah. Right. Okay. If you want to know what what our product is in stock, you can check the follow
And
our
top of the screen, follow.
yes, you follow our Alistair, and you can either chat and to ask our customer service, and they will send you the catalog or our cargo stock list.
Yes, our cargo stock list.
Yes, if you want to some free sample of all the products.
Yes. Now we are in the promotion of the end of the year, right?
Yeah.
We just started the promotion from yesterday.
Yes.
And keep it till December 31. So and during this time, we can supply free samples to you, and we bear the freight fees, express fees. Guys, just free for anything. You just tell us your need, which sample, how about the thickness, the specification, we can send you for free.
Yes, all are free.
It's just in the promotion time during this 1.5 months.
Yes.
Okay, but by the way, for the production packaging, we are the standard export packaging.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is not very clearly. But if you're interested, we can send you the picture to you online. This is our ZT Electric, our website, our logo, our company name on the cotton board, which used for protect the corner of all of your goods. We use the pallet can export to you. Don't worry about this. And this is something. Please see, this is our stocks. Davis, that's 3240.
3240.
This is stocks of the backlight. Yes, have plenty of.
This is FR4.
If you are a trade company, an agency, or a wholesaler, you don't want our electric packaging, just tell us. We can supply you neutral packaging.
Yes.
And all of the pallets are waterproof and collision resistant. Very convenient for handling of containers. And okay, so much of the epoxy fiberglass and the stocks. Let's jump into the second part of our phenolic products. Okay, which phenolic products do we have?
Yeah, the phenolic products is phenolic cotton cloth laminated sheet and backlight sheet and phenolic backup board.
It can be called a PCB drilling board, PCB entry board, flexible board as a cover or a backup board to drilling the PCB board.
Yes.
Okay, let's show the phenolic board, cotton laminate board to customers. Here. This is 21 yards.
Yeah, 21 yards.
Okay, what's that?
That's 32. 32 yards, and it's a machine part.
Yes. It's made of cotton fabric impregnated with phenolic resin by baking and hot pressing. After hot pressing, they will get the laminate sheets out from the hot pressing machine and cooling them, and then to cut the burns of the solid glue, solid phenolic resin glue, and then they package them on the pallet. It has good electrical and mechanical performance under normal condition. And how about the temperature resistance of FPCC?
FPCC
Temperature.
temperature is 120
120 degrees, right?
Yes.
It's lower than epoxy fiberglass. Okay, it's about its regular dimension.
Yes.
The phenolic cotton laminated sheet, the dimension is 1000 by 2000 millimeters, and the thickness is 0.5 to 80 millimeters.
Yes, it's the size, the dimensions are a little different from epoxy fiberglass sheet,
Yes.
but
Yes.
it's 1 by 2 meters.
Yes.
It also can be used as insulation, electrical parts equipment in the motor transformer and another mechanical and electrical equipment. And they can be made in different shapes, such as that one, different shapes. And this is a parts, and different shapes about the road. Oh, there is a tube. I forgot this.
Yes.
Oh, this is a
This
big.
is a big
How about
tube.
the diameter? Maybe 10. It's 100 millimeters diameter, right?
Yes.
And it's used 32
So 2
yards
Yes.
fabric cotton. And this is
So-
used to 21 fabric cotton.
Yeah, it's so big.
It's heavy, right?
Yes. Okay, the next product. Okay, this. Yes, this is bakelite sheet. Okay, bakelite sheet is made of quality bleached wood paper, land paper, and phenolic resin by hot pressing and drilling. Its colors are orange and black, and the standard dimension is the same to the phenolic cotton laminated sheet. Yes.
It's 1 by 2 meters, right?
Yes, the thickness is 3 to 50 millimeters, and it has the advantage of good mechanical strength and anti-static features. And our bakelite sheet is suitable to be used in the motor, the electrical equipment, and the transformer oil. It's also suitable for mold plate, test jig, and table grinding pad, and PCB drilling, and so on.
Yes, this is a part of bakelite.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next is our new offering. This is a phenolic backup board. And then it also can be called PCB drilling board, PCB entry board, and flexible XPC board, and others, which is named according to its usage. It is made of siliceous fiber paper impregnated with phenolic resin by cold stamping pressing. It comes in orange, normally it's orange or brown color, and its regular size is different from all of the laminate sheets. It is 1230 by 1030 millimeters, and its thickness is ranges little from 0.2 to 3 millimeters. Okay, this is a board of
Yeah.
2 millimeters. Yes, 2 millimeters. See, its surface is very smooth. Has no bubble, no pit, no scratch, and no impurities. It has good punching and shearing performance, suitable for CNC machine of PCB and FPC drilling.
Yes.
If you are supplying for you are suppliers for the PCB industry, just don't forget this. They use them lots of.
Okay, if you are interested in the phenolic products like phenolic cotton sheet, bakelite sheet, and phenolic backup sheet, you can click the follow button and to follow our editor. And if you want to our catalog, you can send your contact details to us. Our customer service will send the catalog to you now. And if you have any other questions, you can click the chat, and our customer service can contact you at any time. And if you want to get any free sample of all of our products, you can email to us and also can click the chat. Our customer service manager will contact you.
Yes, and the good news for you is we can supply free samples during today to December 61, right?
Yes.
Yes, that is the last day of this year. We
Yeah.
can supply free samples for you to test, to supply to your customers, because we are in promotion of the end of the year. We not only can supply the free samples, but also we can bear the express fees for you. You just pay nothing, we can supply it for you, right?
Yes.
Don't miss the opportunity. You can just pay nothing. You can get the samples, free samples. But don't forget to give us the feedback after you get the samples. Don't miss it.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about all of our materials one more time. Okay, Jay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's show all the materials with our customer one more time. Okay,
Yes.
FR4.
FR4.
Very beautiful sheet.
Yeah. And G10.
G10. They look same.
Yeah.
Do you remember the difference of them? It's FR4 owns the flame retardant performance.
Yes. And G11.
11. Oh, this looks fabulous.
Yes.
G11, which temperature resistance 180.
180.
Yeah.
Yes.
3240.
3240. Yeah. 3240.
Okay.
Yeah. 3240. This is our product.
And the phenolic products.
Phenolic products.
FPCC, phenolic cotton laminate board.
Yeah. And the bakelite sheet and phenolic backup board.
Okay, this is and
Oh.
I've got the FR4 anti-static board.
Yes.
Maybe when you are making the fixtures, jigs, this is necessary. Okay, many thanks for your support and coming to our live studio. If you need our products, just you can follow our online store or expect for these products we introduced to you. We also have tubes, rolls, and protrusion products.
Yes.
For more products, please visit our website.
Yes.
Come to our live studio again with next Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
That is November 23. Just 6 days later, there will be a live streaming here, right here, waiting for you. And Mia and Jay
Jay.
here waiting for you.
Yeah.
Thank you all for your support.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, my
Bye.
friends.
结束了。
好嘞。啊。
感觉今天这个是 YouTube 频道，没有什么人。没关系，他们不是说嘛，人家也是从一开始没有几个人。
慢慢那啥。
哦，
居民跟你说那啥。
说啥？我的脚怎么了？
对，脚上有一块。
哦，不好看。
咱们也那啥。
哦，看不见。
小雨那个应该能看见。
好吧。
我可能后来又不自主，因为咱俩看的是这个，你知道吗？
对，
我俩看不到我们自己脚啥样。
我们总是看着这个，看自己啥样。
下一周是你们直播还是我们直播？他们
我们电商的人。
我以为如果不想直播，还可以接到。
可以啊。
就是如果你们有其他形式的话，咱们最好不要一样，因为每周都一样。
交叉一下。
如果你们就是一样的话，那我们也可以继续搞。
可以啊，
因为我们俩已经在备课。下一次吧，下一次。好。
行，现在那正好有时间把这玩意儿全背背呗。那回头下次把你的 pad 拿来，正常 pad 根本就不能用。
他说把这里面pad的东西删一下。
他没有账户，我们下个啥软件还得先弄一下，还得登自己账户，一般都是公司账户，公司看哪什么乱七八糟。
他那个推说不知道几百年没更新了，我登上去他让直接提示更新，不让登录。
行，我等会儿看有必要。
没事，到时候我还可以拿我的。
就是这个需要展示一下。其实图片主要
这个是黑白的，太难看了。
我们刚才没弄好，就是照写。
对，就只能打印出来了，没办法了。
要是可以打印彩色的。
对，下次咱打印彩色。
打印在哪呢？前台吗？哦，哟，好嘞。
哦，谢谢。
这
放那种感觉，
样品就放这儿。
我们选的都是可厉害的样品。
哎呀，
电脑再说。电脑。